One thing we need to add before we proceed forward, and we had to do this before with the upper bounds, is we still want to add -1 so that writes to the correct array position. What we're also going to add here is so we can see it when we're entering the numbers, what array position we're writing to. So I'm going to go inside here, use some concatenation. I'm going to say a row, use &R, and then we're going to show also inside the input box what column we're writing to by printing out the R and the C inside of the input box. Let's take a look at when we add the -1s and this, what our run looks like. So it's saying we're going to write our first number to row 0, column 0, so we'll do 1. Okay, then our next one, so I'll do 2, then 3. Moves down properly to the next row, very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now when we go to our array here, if I type in 0, 0, we should get the number 1, which we do. I'll jump up the rows to 1 for 4. If I add one onto the column 5. If I go to a position that doesn't exist, such as 3, 3, it should error out. Or in this case, it just returned a 0 as well. If I go too high, then it does error out. So that's one of the things you need to be aware of as you're working through your arrays here, is that, again, we'll need to prevent these bigger numbers from happening. So that, in short, is how you properly get an array to work, 2D array to work, and enter data into it inside Visual Basic.